Hi there, this is Hamza. You built an AI feature, it works great in testing, you ship it, and then chaos. Users complain the answers are wrong, your RAG pipeline hallucinating, your agent is doing weird things. The problem? You have no visibility into what your LLM is actually producing at scale. Today I'm going to show you how good engineers actually solve this. Building LLM evaluation pipelines, we will see 4 different type of evaluators, also build LLM as a judge, and have a look at LangSmith. Let's go. Okay, so before jumping towards the evaluators, first we need to know what good even means for an LLM. So we can divide this good abbreviation into 5 different dimensions, in which the first one would be whether our output is correct or not, which is the most major dimension. The second one is faithfulness, like does our model stick towards the documents that we provided, or it is hallucinating or to the things that we provide. And the third one would be relevance, whether our the output that LLM produces is actually relevant to what we want or not. And the fourth one is format compliance, which meant that does the LLM is following the output schema that we defined. And the last one is the LLM is biased or producing harmful content, or it is safe. Okay, so let's discuss the 4 different type of evaluators, in which the first one would be rule based. In this you can make any rule you want. You can like make rule that it should be a valid JSON, it should have specific keyword, like whatever you want to make. The second one is heuristic. In this you basically check the semantic similarity of the produced LLM content with your dataset, and then based on that you make a final, you can say, output, like it the relevance is this percentage or that percentage, so like this. The third one is LLM as a judge, and this is the most powerful one. Basically in this you extract correctness, faithfulness, all different dimensions using another LLM that behaves like a judge. And the last one is human feedback. This is the manual process in which we usually use human in the loop that would provide thumbs up and other notes for this. Okay, so now let's jump towards the code to see how basically they look like. Okay, so if we see the code, this is the dummy dataset that I made in order to give you the high level understanding. Okay, so let's go towards the evaluators. This is the first evaluator. This is the rule based evaluator. In this you can make, as I said earlier, any rule that you want, and I made like if the output is valid JSON or not. In my scenario it would most probably false, and the second one is that is the answer is exactly similar or not. And the second one is heuristic. I am right now using the rogue score. You can use any other score, any other way that you need. It entirely depends upon you. And the third one is LLM as a judge, in which I have made another LLM, and here it has question the context that I will provide and the answer by other LLM or the chatbot, you can say. And based on these things it is supposed to evaluate these 3 metrics and also provides its reasoning why it does this. And for the fourth one we will discuss this later when we will be seeing the LangSmith. Okay, so now let me run it. Okay, so as you can see, like for the rule based agent, it said that JSON false and reference false, as they are not exactly true, or you can say exactly similar. And then the rogue score, how much semantically they are similar, and then LLM as a judge output. It has provided scores as well as the reasoning why about why these scores are correct, and just like this. Okay, so this is the high level overview of evaluators. Now let's jump towards the LangSmith. Okay, so for the manual evaluation or human in the loop evaluator, you can use different frameworks. You can use like LangSmith or LangFuse. It depends entirely upon you. I'm using LangSmith. Here you first of all add all of the envs, and then it is very simple. Like you can say that for the simple chatbot, you are just supposed to add the decorator and nothing else. So here I asked different questions, evaluation dataset, and now let's run it. First of all, let's try and then we will basically evaluate. There's the LangSmith provides different type of things like evaluation, see all of the things. It is a very detailed framework, as you can see that it is telling all of the things like what was the input, what was the output, all of the metadata. If you go here, you can add feedback if you want to. You can see why how much tokens it used, what is the start time, what is the end time. Like it gives you much of the sense about your inner workflows. And okay, so now let's evaluate it. It would take some time because the LLM is also being using in this process. Okay, so as our evaluation is complete, so now let's see the evaluation. Okay, so based on our dataset, it provides us the feedbacks about correctness and latency. And if you go into the details, it show like how it is correct, what was the correctness, and you can also modify it based upon your needs. So this is the uh, high level overview of how about the evaluators, evaluation pipeline. Hope you enjoyed it. Do like and subscribe.